the most awaited Grand Annual Day of Narayana Techno School Jalna 2024-25. I, Sheikh Sania Kalim,
And I, Mr. Mahesh Vijay Sriram,
your host for tonight.
we welcome you all on behalf of whole Narayana family. As it is the third year that we have been celebrating our annual function. Narayana Techno schools are part of the Narayana Educational Institutions, one of the Asia's largest educational conglomerates established in 1979. These schools are renowned for their integrated CBSE curriculums, meticulously designed for foster critical thinking, creativity and resilience among students. The eTechno program aims to prepare students for future challenges by blending academic excellence with overall growth.
Now, we are here to explore our today's theme that defines the very essence of India. Weaving India, one nation, many culture. But tell me, what does this theme really means?
Great question. Imagine India as a giant hand-woven fabric. Each thread represents a unique culture, language, a tradition and festivals. Individually, they are beautiful, but together they create something even more magnificent, our united India.
That's fascinating, but with so much diversity, over 1,600 languages, hundreds of dance forms, and countless traditions, how does India stay united?
That's the magic of India. Our strength lies in the ability to embrace differences while staying connected through shared values, respect, harmony, and deep-rooted love for our country.
That's true. Whether it's Diwali in the north, Pongal in the south, Bihu in the east, or Navratri in the west, every festival is celebrated with same enthusiasm across India.
Exactly. And it's not just festivals. Our arts, music, and even cuisine reflect this unity. Did you know that every region in India has its own unique way of making roti, but the essence of it remains the same: nourishment and togetherness.
Wow! So just like weaver brings different threads together, create a masterpiece, India blends its people with thread of unity.
Well said. And tonight we celebrate the vibrant, diverse and united India through performances that showcase its rich cultural heritage.
So get ready for an evening of colors, music and tradition as we take you on a journey through many threads that weave India.
I request our today's dignitaries to come forward for light lamping ceremony. I'm requesting our today's honorary chief guest, Jala Samrat Shri Kailash Ji Gurantyal, and our school AGM, Zia Sir, our school principal, Mrs. Archana Pawar. Politician affiliated with Indian National Congress. He has been elected twice as a member of the Maharashtra.
Leaders are the backbone of our academic journey. Your commitment to our excellence and passion for education.
To please come forward and address the gathering.
स्कूल के इस एनुअल फंक्शन पर स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल अर्चना पवार मैडम, मेरे मित्र एम जिया सर, सम्मानीय व्यासपीठ, उपस्थित माता बहनें, भाइयों और मेरे दोस्तों, सबसे पहले मैं प्रिंसिपल पवार मैडम और जिया सर का धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता हूं कि मुझे चीफ गेस्ट बनाया। रास्ते में खतरे बहुत है मगर ठहरता कौन है, मौत कल आनी है आज आजा, अरे डरता कौन है, तेरे लश्कर के मुकाबले मैं अकेला ही सही, देखता है जंगे मैदान में मरता कौन है। जय हिंद जय महाराष्ट्र।
I request everyone to please give a huge round of applause.
With a huge round of applause.
Very good evening, one and all present over here. Respected, honorable, our former MLA, Sri Kailash Kurundial ji, present over here. I really appreciate your way of speaking, humbleness, gratitude, everything. When you come over here, the way how presented in front of everybody. Once again, science, technology, engineering, arts, maths. Means child will learn the things. It's like a Saturday we are having this team activity. Child get eagerness, curiosity to do many things to this activity. So here child will be having different things. Practical knowledge will be getting by doing with the activities that is done in the team. So child become engaged learner in there. But for doing all the things, Narayana becomes special. The reason Narayana not only groomed the children, but Narayana updated the teachers too. As CBSE affiliation, we are affiliated school. Narayana, in the CBSE curriculum also, there is always change, updation comes. So Narayana R&D team will be present over. They update the curriculum, they update the teacher. Timely updation of the teachers will be there. We are having many trainings for the teacher. It is online and offline too. To the CCE, also training they all are giving.
Raising hands on our Bharatam students.
Please give it a round of applause. Our next award for expressive art goes to Roshan Galagati, PP2A.
Next award of Wicked segment is Hungaric potential and the winners are
Swara Ramani, PP2B.
and Avishika and Subhitoshi.
Artistic Gupte, PP2C. Give them a big maker. Big round of applause.
I am really proud to announce the next category award is the winner for the first time in entire Maharashtra in Peers Olympic contest. And this award goes to Radhika Gautam Sharma.
Please have a huge round of applause. Congratulations to all the winners.
Going forward, we would like to invite the champions of each arms segment and the category of award is MRC, Western Oriental Contest. As this award belongs to third grade.
Rukaiya Sheikh, 5th grade.
Arya Swami, 5th grade.
Khushi Daima, 5th grade.
And Vijay Gashwar, 5th grade. Student and student
Please give them a big round of applause.
receiving their hard work and dedications.
Parents, आपकी तालियां हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. इनको encourage करेंगे आगे भी प्रॉपर से सकने में. Thank you. Please
Khushi Daima from 5th grade, winner of MOC. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as they are receiving their hard work, the result of dedications and patience. It's a proud moment for our champions, Khushi Daima from 5th grade,
receiving the emotion.
Series of awards invites the technical students of e-techno segment.
And the first category of award is 100% attendance, which belongs to Karthik Namdev Magar from 9th grade.
Karthik Namdev Magar from 9th grade. Our last category of the beautiful evening is MUN Model United Nations, and the winners are Tejas Solanki occupied the first prize.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform that this awards belongs to MUN Model United Nations. It was conducted by our ski trainer, Mr. Kiran Sami sir, and Mahesh Rohan sir, who brings these achievements to our school. Lovely Goda for best paperwork.
Lovely Goda for best paperwork. Sara Mirza for best
And Purva Dhoot.
Purva Dhoot. Congratulations to all the hardworking winners, and many thanks to our esteemed guests.
What are you looking for?
We have just landed here to experience the uniqueness of your country.
It's not so easy. The people are diverse here. They never forget to enjoy the happiness in small matter even. Let's have an experience of our kinetic kids of nursery with Ittisi Hasi, Ittisi
Please put your hands together to welcome Perky PP1 to show friendship.
Chick chick bum.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे ये बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे ये बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे से I खेलती मस्ती से भरी दुनिया प्यार की दुनिया ख्वाब की नाता में पली मिस्री की चली नाता में पली मिस्री की चली माय फैमिली माय फैमिली माय
Let's have an experience of rhythmic performance of South India with our diligent dancers of First B.
कहते हैं लोग पर मन संग में दूर दूर गूंजे से दूर पर बादशाह मेरे जानू
Welcome pragmatic PP2A on stage.
अर्ज क्या है मोबाइल ने ऐसा कब्जा किया है कि अब चार्जर से ज्यादा किसी को ना प्यार होता दिन रात इससे रोशनी में खो जाते हकीकत के रिश्ते उस नोटिफिकेशन मन के रहते So let's start our beautiful journey of beautiful world of mobile with our great PP2A students.
एक जमाना था जब 3 बंदर सिखाते थे बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो। अब और एक बंदर है मोबाइल वाला बंदर जो कहता है किसी को न देखो, किसी को न सुनो, किसी से कुछ न बोलो। और ये बंदर अब सबके घर पर राज कर रहा है और हमारी ही नजर के सामने हमारी पूरी जिंदगी बदल रहा है। सही कहा ना?
नजर के सामने नजर के सामने
So to celebrate forever friendship, here come class PP2B.
किसी के काम में हीरा किसी के हाथ में हीरा किसी के कान में हीरा मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या मेरा तो यार है हीरा
पिंड ध्यान बोली और बल्ला बल्ला पंजाब के मियां दोस्ता सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना ये है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। How can we let go of the vibrant energy and valor of freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, the sacrifices of Guru Gobind Singh, the colorful tradition and unstoppable spirit of Punjab, the state of fire rivers. Here I am thrilled to present you a power-packed Punjab that gives immense joy and festivity of this rich culture, from the high energy beats of the dole to the graceful yet powerful moves of Bhangra. This culture is a celebration of life, love and togetherness. So let's welcome the students of first grade for their fearless Punjabi moves on Tunuk Tunuk Tuk Tunuk Tunuk Tuk Tunuk Tunuk Tuk.
forms. So let's welcome our fearless first grade for Dholira Mixed Form. Among them, Assam is known as for its tea plantation and vibrant Assamese culture. Assam is not just a state, it's a way of life where simplicity is celebrated and culture is cherished. So, to present the colorful heart, adorable Assam on stage, please welcome Frisky First with their folk dance. So let's welcome playful Pipiban on stage for Apna Hardi Nasajiyo. Music heals us with musicality. So to give different taste to a colorful program with melodious voice, let's welcome singing star of 7th standard. We never stop anywhere. खूबसूरती को हमने अक्सर भटकते हुए देखा है। हाँ, मैंने इन बंद अल्फाजों में कश्मीर को लिखा है, कश्मीर को लिखा है। Ladies and gentlemen, my Kashmir is a
Parents, put your hands together.
with snow-capped mountains. The Kashmiri hands made this region popular with its uniqueness in design. Not only these, the Pashmina shawls keep our body warm with its softness. And the folk dance of Kashmir should not be go. So let's have a huge round of applause for Sazi's second standard with Jammu to Jaan hai hamari saase hai Kashmir.
कल कल बहती नदियों से प्यारा ही पैगाम आया। जगमगाता है कुदरत की जागीर से, जगमगाता है कुदरत की जागीर से, जल हमारी सांसें हैं कश्मीर से।
खंबाघणी पधारो मारा देश भारतનું સબસે બડો રાજ્ય આપણી પરંપરા જીવન સાંસ્કૃતિક और વાસ્તવિક જાણી જે है the land of royalty, vibrant colors and soul-stirring music. From the majestic forts of Jaisalmer to the bustling bazaars of Jaipur, every corner of this land dances with the beat of music. And when the beats rise, how can the heart not sway? Where the words fail, the beats of the music speak. Yes, it's Rajasthan. The dance and music of Rajasthan is not just an instrument, it is the heartbeat of festivity. And when the dhol plays, the feet cannot resist. So let's see the ravishing Rajasthan with the talented children of standard 2nd A with Tharki Chokro.
Let us craft a future that is equally magnificent.
Let's welcome our talented third C to make this evening remarkable with महाराष्ट्राच्या कीर्तीचा झेंडा फडकला.
Thank you.
Please have a huge round of applause for previous spellbound performance.
The best thing about dancing is it's a universal language.
Let's get ready to bring energy, have fun and create unforgettable memories together through the magic of audio design. So let's welcome super performance of
Cultural dances are colorful. Folk dances are fascinating, which are deeply rooted among the same group of people. Next, we bring to you the vibrant Koli dance depicting the life of Maharashtra's fisher folks.
Are you ready for the performance? Let me hear you make some noise. So please put your hand together to welcome sophisticated second C with
Thank
इंडस्ट्री पर टाटास ने अपनी छाप छोड़ी है। और तो और क्रिकेट को बचाने में भी टाटा का हाथ रहा है। टाटा कोई एक इंसान या फिर एक परिवार नहीं है। टाटा का मतलब है एक सोच, वैल्यूज, ऐसे वैल्यूज जो मरते रहे।
जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी।
Revolution can occur, but everyone is grateful to their ancestors. Certainly, we can't deny the brave courage of some great warrior which made possible to live peacefully on this land. So now, to present the grateful song, let's welcome Ale Malate.
सटक सटक तेरा तो देखा है, कमर तकीरी पटोसी जिसे कलम वस्तु पटर खाए, काटो
छोड़
की, लेकिन इसरो की मुश्किलें अब शुरू होने वाली थी। अब बारी थी चंद्रयान 2 मिशन की। चंद्रयान 2 के लिए इसरो ने रशियन स्पेस एजेंसी से हाथ मिलाया। अब इसरो की जिम्मेदारी थी ऑर्बिटर और रोवर बनाने की, और रशियन स्पेस एजेंसी की जिम्मेदारी थी चंद्रमा के रोवर को उतारने के लिए लैंडर बनाने की। चंद्रयान 2 मिशन को 2013 में लॉन्च करना था, लेकिन रशियन स्पेस एजेंसी अपनी ही एक मिशन में फेल होने के कारण आर्थिक तंगी में आ गई। इस वजह से वो 2013 में भारत को लैंडर बना के नहीं दे पाए और चंद्रयान 2 की लॉन्चिंग को पोस्टपोन करके 2016 करा गया। लेकिन 2016 में भी रशिया लैंडर बना के नहीं दे पाए। अब भारतीय वैज्ञानिकों ने रशिया का मुंह ताकना बंद कर दिया और स्वदेशी टेक्नोलॉजी से ही लैंडर बनाने की ठान ली। बड़ी बड़ी स्पेस एजेंसी नहीं कर पाई जो काम आज इसरो ने कर दिखाया है। भारत का झंडा आज चांद पे लहरा रहा है और पूरे भारत देश में जश्न मनाया जा रहा
So get ready to embrace the rhythm, grace and joy that comes with traditional Rajasthani dance.
So let's welcome Sagesia 6th standard with Panthanjali.
अष्टावधान जागृत अष्टप्रधान वेष्टित न्यायालंकार मंडित शस्त्रास्त्र शास्त्र पारंगत राजनीति धुरंधर प्रौढ़ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतांस महाराजाधिराज श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की हृदयाचे स्पंदने वाढून देणारी ही शिवगर्जना ऐकून तुम्हाला समजलेच असेल की कोणत्या मातीचा सुगंध आहे. पण तत्पूर्वी इतिहास जिवंत ठेवण्यासाठी तो मनात रुजवावा लागतो. That echoes through time. A warrior whose name is immortal. Let me join to welcome the nifty night to show the encourage and valiantness of the unforgettable warrior Tahanyaji.
बाबा बाबा मेरी असली बाजू तो तू है तानाजी. लोग नसीहत में बहुत सारी चीजें छोड़ के जाते हैं. मैं तेरे लिए कर्ज छोड़ के जा रहा हूं. इस मिट्टी की आजादी. तानिया शेवटचा मुजरा स्वीकार करावा. लाखों का पालन और उस दिन फूट फूट कर रोया था. कोडाना को जीत कर तानाजी बगले में समाया था.
Performance. Our dazzling dancers have poured their hearts into capturing the same spirit. So with further ado, let's welcome Secret 7th Standard to present Speedy South Indian Mix.
बड़ी जचदी ओए रखे दा मुंडा मारदा केड़ियां एक दिया मोर में पट के नचदी. दुआ को तेरी नु रख सब के दुआ को तेरी नु रख सब के ते सत को पाटना प्यार गोरिए
उभी रूपा मागे सुद्धा वात्सल्य वाहते. तुझ्या कृपा दृष्टीचे मी दान मागते. गोंधळ मांडिते ग आई गोंधळ मांडिते.
आईच्या नावाचा गोंधळ मांडिला गोंधळाला ये आई
wins.
Your Majesty, the people there are brilliant.
The people are surprising.
Every corner of the country has their own distinctive history.
They are dedicated, they are hardworking,
And passionate too.
moreover, they never far away from their cultures.
But they are united.
One nation, many cultures.
One nation, many cultures. One nation, many cultures. One nation, many cultures.
Declare and commitment and to show our respect to our nations. That's why there are no words which can describe our India. So once I wrote, डिक्शनरी में उतना सब भी कहाँ है, डिक्शनरी में उतना सब भी कहाँ है जो तुझको बयां कर सके. इसलिए तो सारी दुनिया एक तरफ है, एक तरफ तो मेरी भारत माँ है. जाने कितना ने लूटा तुझे, जाने कितना ने लूटा तुझे, फिर भी तू जो खजाना था वो खजाना.
Parivar Awards Management Honor MD Ghosh. I request respected Principal Ma'am, Ahmed Sir and Zia Sir to come up on the stage and do the honors. Big round of applause. Padmini Ma'am, please come on the stage. And the next award goes to Best Coordinator, and the award goes to Komal Ma'am. Komal Ma'am, please come on the stage. Please take a huge round of applause for Komal Ma'am. Best
I request all the parents to please put a huge round of applause.
To our respected Komal Ma'am.
Give a big round of applause for them. The next award goes to Best Dance, and the award goes to GVR Sir. These awards are from Parivar Management. The next award goes to Best Anchor, and the award goes to Sania Ma'am. Please give her a round of applause. Thank you so much, ma'am. And congratulations for all the winners. Ma'am, you have to be. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the final and most anticipated awards of the evening. Are you all excited? It has been an incredible night celebrating outstanding talent, dedication and achievement. That's right, but before we wrap up, we have few more prestigious awards to present. This last award honors the best of best dance. Any guesses? Any guesses? and the best of best dance performance goes to you need to build some excitement and curiosity, gentlemen. And the best dance of today's annual day is energetic Gandhar. Congratulations, all of you. Sujit sir, we want you on the stage. Let's have a group photo. Let's give him a big round of applause. Give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Bhushan sir, Sonu sir, Sujit sir, please come on the stage. Narayana School is very thankful for the great choreographers who we have on the stage. This event wouldn't have been successful because of them. Congratulations, choreographers and their team, for giving us the best performance of the day. Yes.
En esta noche la vida es completa. En este segundo la vida es
छोड़ धूम धमाका वो चाहे तमाशा छोड़ गुल्ले बेगी तू आज का बादशाह छोड़ धूम धमाका वो चाहे तमाशा छोड़ गुल्ले बेगी तू आज का बादशाह छोड़ धूम धमाका वो चाहे तमाशा छोड़ गुल्ले बेगी तू आज का बादशाह
जाने पर